you find her?
Stop looking at me. The fuck? Thank you. You too. You're so gorgeous. You're so pretty. These are outfits. They're not. Oh, I like the color. I wonder how this happens or what's going on.
You know
Like, what is
There's
this?
like some kind of system underneath, like a mechanical system that makes them want to do that.
Mm-hmm. It's cute. I'm like, oh, don't fall, Chanel. This is where people write their favorite songs and I guess their meaning for stuff. So this is cute. My friend is writing hers. This is what I put. We're just gonna act like I didn't say that. I'm not sure what sounds are coming out of this thing.
I don't remember how to play it. Play it. It was. I last time played that was 12.
So this is the end of the museum. I'm not gonna lie guys, I was a little drunk so I couldn't really talk that much, but yeah, this is the museum. It's pretty cool, it's pretty dope. There's a lot of different things here. Yeah, say hi. So we stopped at this bar. It's pretty cool. I think it's called Milk Boy. This is where we're at right now.
Let's stick that in there. And it's got like a little cherry in between.
Hello, ladies.
Okay, this is why you carry a backpack. Because you can carry little umbrellas in it.
Why is this not?
We got
Okay. Happy Mother's Day.
Mom in the world.
Yes. And my mom